Welcome to 164 Diecast. Going to be opening my 2024 Advent calendar from OZWheels. It's 25 days of Aussie muscle. Okay, here we go, day 15. It's like another HQ or HZX or Z Monaro or something like that.
Christmas trees on fire, Santa's holding the lighter. My parents are both liars. I got gifts but one subscribers. Thanks for the candy basket. Oh God, another jacket. My stocking's filled with acid. Am I dreaming? What just happened?